Are you ready for the polish?
Yes, I am. I'd like regular polish today.
Regular polish?
Yeah.
No gel?
No gel, regular.
I won't charge you for gel. I'll give it to you for regular polish.
I'll still do regular polish.
Fine. Give me your phone. I know you have another phone there. Give me your phone. You have your wallet? Give me your watch too. Cause thank you. You know, let me just take your purse too. You got your keys? Or no, you got your keys in there? Alright. Damn regular polished client. I know you're gonna mess them up, so I'm trying to not have you pull all that out.
Can you do design on them too with a regular polish?
You want design on this? Bitch, we don't do no acrylic painting no more.